Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down the system, unplug the mains, and ground yourself so static won't damage the card. Open the case and locate the GPU power sockets. Most cards use 6-pin, 8-pin, or a 6+2 combination. Once identified, check your PSU for matching PCIe cables and confirm total wattage headroom. Make sure it can handle peak GPU draw. If you have modular cables, pick the labeled PCIe ones. Do not use SATA adapters unless explicitly supported. Next, you route and connect the cables. Use dedicated PCIe power cables from the PSU. This ensures stable current. Route through the nearest cutout to keep cables away from fans and maintain airflow. Leave about 1 to 2 centimeters clearance. Align the connector so the latch matches the GPU socket, then press firmly until you hear a click. Partial seating can cause arcing. Once connected, tidy slack with a cable tie and double-check that no pins are bent or obscured by insulation. Finish by reconnecting the mains and flipping the PSU switch before you power on the system. Boot and watch the post or boot splash to confirm GPU detection. Once running, monitor voltages and temperatures for a few minutes to ensure stability. If the GPU does not power or artifacts appear, power down immediately. Then reseat the connector, try a different PCIe cable or another labeled PSU port, and retest. This simple swap often fixes connector faults or inadequate rails.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.